Hello guys, in this tutorial we are gonna learn everything about text widget. Okay, let's know how to create a text widget inside our scaffold. Okay, so I will use body, and then inside my body I will use text widget, and the text will be my app. Okay, this is how we can create a text widget. Let's run it, and you can see here guys our text, but it is on the top. I want to make it in the center, so simply I will use here, I will click on text widget, then I will click here and wrap with center. When I wrap with center, and it comes to the center point. Now we will learn how we can make a styling on our text widget. This one, we will go here, and then we will use here a style, then a widget name style, TextStyle, and inside our TextStyle, if I use font size 25, then font weight bold, to make it bold, this one, and then if I refresh it, you can see here guys, the app is bold, the text widget is bold now, and the font size is 25. If I will increase it to 35, and you can see here it will increased. And now here if I use font family, or else we can use a Google Fonts. For using Google Fonts, we will first go in pubspec.yaml file. Here under Flutter lints, I will search about Google. It is not showing, but in the Android Studio it show the dependency. So what we will do, we will go in our Google. Here we will search about Google Fonts Flutter. Okay. And then this is the dependency of Google Fonts. I will copy it, and then I will paste it here. Okay guys, and then Control S. So guys, Google Fonts dependency downloaded successfully. Now we will go here. First of all, we will import Google Fonts. Okay, after I import it, I will go here. I will simply change the text style to Google Fonts dot any font I will choose, and now we are running our application. As you can see here guys, the font style is changed. If I change it again to any font, see guys. So I hope guys you understand the text widget and text styling. So now let's start about component widget. So how we can create a text widget by using a component. So guys, this is my text widget, but what I want to create my own text widget, so I don't have to code again and again the styling of the text. So what can I do? I will create a component text widget. So here inside my widgets folder, I will create a new file, text component dot. Okay guys, and here inside my text component dot file, first of all I will import material dot, and then I will use a stateless widget. Okay, and here the name of my stateless widget is text component. Okay guys, and here inside my text component I will use container widget, and here first of all I will declare my string, final string text, and which will be required. So I will use here text component required, inside curly brackets required this dot text. Okay guys, so now inside my container widget I will use first of all padding edge insert dot all 6.0, I think that's enough, and then I will use a child which will be text widget, and inside my text widget I will use a text variable, and then I will make styling of it. I will style it with a text style inside my text style widget. I will use font size 30 and font weight bold, this one bold, and I want to change the font family also, so simply I will import here Google Fonts, and then here instead of text style widget I will change it to Google Fonts dot able. Okay, so how we can call this component text widget in our main dot file? So we will go in main dot file. First of all we will save it. We will go in a main dot file and change this text widget to text component widget, and inside my text component widget I will use only text, which will be next on solutions. Okay guys, and if I will refresh it, so you can see here guys, we successfully use our component widget. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.